Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to download and install BeReal app on your device. So if you use the Android application, you should open the Play Store. If you use the iOS app, just open the App Store, and then in the search bar we should enter BeReal. And now we should get this application. So just tap to install on Android device or get here on your iOS device. Be sure that you are logged in into the Apple ID or in Gmail account. So I'll just enter my password. So just after that we should wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on our device. That can take a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, log in, register, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel. And for more information about the BeReal application, how to use it, you should find the videos on our HardReset YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and bye.